Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 115. If we start with this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so 6, 8. 3 and 9 here, so 6, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 6, 9. 8 here, so 3, 6, 9. If we look now, the only place the 3 can be is here, and the only place the 9 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6, 4 here, so 5, 6, and no help here, 4, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so 1, 6. 5 and 7 here, so 1, 6. No help here, 1, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 7 here, so 5, 6. So now if we look, the only place the 7 can be is here, and the only place the 5 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 6. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. That 6 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. And that 6 makes this our 4, 6. And for this row now, we're just missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 6, 7. 3, 7, and 9 here means this is our 6. 3 and 7 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 6, and that means we're still missing 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 here, 6 and 9 here. So this is our 1. That 6 and 9 means this is our 2. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6, but we've got a 4 here, so 6. That makes this our 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.